Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're diving deep into the wonderful world of McDonald's French fries. Ever wondered how they crank out millions upon millions of those golden beauties every single day? Buckle up, because we're going on a behind-the-scenes adventure to uncover the secrets of the most popular side dish on the planet. We're talking about a global operation here, folks. McDonald's restaurants in nearly every corner of the world are serving up those iconic fries faster than you can say supersize. To keep up with this kind of demand, you need some serious potato power. That's where the magic begins, in massive, mega-efficient factories designed to transform humble potatoes into the crispy, craveable treats we know and love. Get ready to be amazed, because we're about to break down every step of the incredible journey from potato field to your plate. It's a wild ride, and trust me, you'll never look at a French fry the same way again. Before a single fry can be made, we need potatoes, and not just any potatoes. We're talking about the cream of the crop. McDonald's has a crack team of potato experts who work directly with farmers all over the world to ensure the highest quality spuds make it into your order. These potato pros aren't messing around. They're out in the fields checking the soil, examining the plants, and making sure those potatoes are getting the royal treatment. They're looking for specific varieties known for their taste and texture, the kind that will fry up to that perfect golden brown with a fluffy interior. Once the potatoes are harvested, they're whisked away to the processing plant. But don't worry, these potatoes are treated like VIPs every step of the way. Special trucks designed for gentle transport ensure that these precious spuds arrive at the factory in tip-top shape, ready for their big transformation. Welcome to the factory, folks, where the real potato magic happens. We're talking about a symphony of stainless steel, conveyor belts humming, and the sweet aroma of potatoes in the air. It's enough to make a potato lover weak in the knees. First up, those lucky spuds get a spa day. Giant washing machines gently tumble the potatoes, removing any dirt or debris. Then it's on to the peeling station, where high-speed peelers work their magic, removing the skin with incredible precision. Don't worry, they don't waste a single bit. Those peels are often used for animal feed or other purposes. Now comes the moment of truth, the cutting. These aren't your grandma's kitchen knives, folks. Industrial-strength cutters slice those potatoes into perfect, uniform French fries with lightning speed. We're talking thousands of pounds of potatoes transformed into those familiar golden strips every hour. It's a sight to behold. Here's where things get really interesting. Remember that satisfying crunch when you bite into a McDonald's fry? That's no accident, my friends. It's the result of a carefully calibrated two-step process, blanching and pre-frying. First, those freshly cut fries take a dip in a hot water bath, a process called blanching. This removes excess starch, helping to create that fluffy interior we all crave. But it also does something else. It helps the fries develop their beautiful golden color when they hit the fryer. Next up, it's showtime. Those blanched fries take a quick dip in vegetable oil where they get their first taste of heat. This pre-frying step does more than just give them a hint of color. It also helps to seal in flavor and create a crispy outer layer that's built to last. Section 5. Frozen freshness, locking in flavor for the long haul. After their hot oil bath, the fries need to cool down, fast. That's where flash freezing comes in. This super chilling technique locks in all that potatoey goodness, ensuring that the fries stay fresh and flavorful until they're ready to meet their destiny in a deep fryer. Once they're perfectly frozen, the fries are gently packed into specially designed bags that are built for travel. These bags are no joke. They're designed to protect those precious fries during their journey to McDonald's restaurants around the world. Talk about dedication. McDonald's goes to great lengths to make sure that every single fry arrives at its destination in pristine condition, ready to be cooked to crispy perfection. Section 6. From factory to fryer, a worldwide delivery dance. Get ready for a logistical masterpiece, folks. Once those bags of frozen fries are sealed and ready, they embark on a carefully choreographed journey to McDonald's restaurants around the globe. We're talking trucks, trains, ships. Whatever it takes to get those fries where they need to be, when they need to be there. It's like a well-oiled machine, with each step of the process timed to perfection. Sophisticated tracking systems monitor the fries' every move, ensuring that they arrive at their destination fresh and ready to be devoured. Think about it. Every time you order a side of fries, you're tapping into this incredible global network. It's a testament to the power of efficiency, innovation, and a whole lot of potato love. Section 7. The Golden Standard. A legacy of flavor and innovation. McDonald's French fries have become a global icon, a symbol of comfort food, fast food, and pure, unadulterated deliciousness. But it didn't happen by accident. It took decades of dedication, experimentation, and a relentless pursuit of the perfect fry. From the farms to the factories to your local McDonald's, every step of the process has been carefully honed to create a truly unforgettable culinary experience, and they're not done yet. McDonald's is constantly innovating, tweaking their methods, and exploring new ways to make their fries even better. So next time you see those golden arches, remember the incredible journey those fries have been on. It's a story of hard work, ingenuity, and a deep-fried passion for delivering the perfect crunch in every bite. Section 8. Enjoy the crunch you've tasted the journey. There you have it, folks, the inside scoop on the amazing journey of McDonald's French fries. From humble potatoes to global icons, these crispy treats have earned their place in culinary history. So next time you're digging into a carton of those golden beauties, take a moment to appreciate the incredible process behind every bite. You're not just tasting potatoes, you're tasting innovation, dedication, and a whole lot of flavor. And that, my friends, is something worth savoring. Now go forth and enjoy those fries.